everybody. My name is Manuel. We're here at Pack Expo in Chicago. I wanted to showcase our material transfer demo. So this is a new demo, a nice interactive demo that we can use with our customers. So this demo is showcasing a couple of different IMI products. We have the main product is our material transfer. So this uses vacuum to pull material or product through. We also have a couple of pneumatic actuators in the back that keep the stress balls that are in the demo in place so that it only releases one at a time to avoid jams. And then down below you can see we also have some of our different IMI Norgren products that are operating. So we have our air prep, our valves, and our NC series IO link masters as well. So a couple of different IMI products that we have in here to make a fun little demo. The application that this is kind of showcasing as well, like as I mentioned, it's material transfer. So what this will do is that it will pull a ball through and it will go up and over so that you're able to pull it out from another side. So other applications that this could be used for, particularly in packaging, is if you're having to move material or product from one side to another, from one location to another. The material transfer pump can also be used to potentially blow off debris or suck through like products or valves for packaging, quickly into an application. So a couple fun different ways that you can use that. We're just using it here as a fun little way to get customers engaged in the booth. So I'll demonstrate how it works here. So we're just gonna press this send button and it'll quickly pull one of the stress balls through. So here we go. If you're looking to relieve a little stress, stop by our booth N-5139 at Pack Expo this week. See you there.